Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to connect the Dyson Link app with this Dyson Pure Hot and Cool Link. It features monitors, sensor automatically monitor air quality and adjusts airflow accordingly. And it captures 99.97% of particle pollution, as small as 0.3 microns, sealed at 360-degree glass HEPA filter lasts for 12 months, and it projects. Only Dyson purifying fans have air multiplier technology that amplifies surrounding air, giving an uninterrupted stream of purified airflow. So it heats you with the purified air and cools you with the purified air. So anyway, we're gonna show you guys on how to download the app first. You need to go to your Google Play Store on your Android phones, or if you have the iOS, you just go to your App Store, and we're gonna click on search, and then the Dyson link. So I guess it's changed to MyDyson, so I'm gonna click on install. By the way, you will need to know your product SSID and then the Wi-Fi password. So I go ahead and click on open. So if you are a new owner, you need to click on new owner. If you are an existing customer, just click on login. So since this is the first time, I'm going to click on new owner. And right here, you need to select your region, United States. And be sure to click on I agree to the term and condition, term of use, and click on continue. And you need to enter your email address and click on continue after you enter the email address. After that, you need to enter your first and last name and then click on continue. So you need to set your own password for this. It says your password requires at least 6 characters, including one number. It says your login is active. So add my machine. Be sure to turn on your heater. And be sure to click on allow. Location permission next. While using the app. So you need to select your Dyson machine. So it is the air treatment. Where is your machine power button? Mine's on the bottom. Let's hit the first one. To begin, please switch on or place on charge. So it is on right now. Your machine will require power through the next setup. Continue. Home Wi-Fi password. Please have your home Wi-Fi password to hand. You may need this later. Okay, I get it. So by the way, you will need to connect your Wi-Fi password on your smartphone, and make sure they are on the same network though. Your machine has its own Wi-Fi signal. Please activate this to connect to your machine. So you need to activate the Wi-Fi, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. So I'm going to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Alright, there's a green light is flashing. So yeah, it is flashing. Locate your machine Wi-Fi password. It's an 8-letter password, can be found on your machine. So there's a sticker right there, the black sticker. You need to enter the password. And after enter the password, you're gonna click on submit. And you need to enter the home Wi-Fi password for your network. So you can connect now. Confirm connection connected. Total control. Clean, clear result. Automatically purifies. Machine connected, continue. So you could select in which machine in which room. I'm going to put a master bedroom and then submit, confirm, and select the data you purchase and then confirm. So it says finally, before you get started, your machine will automatically receive new update. If you want, you can turn auto updates off in your machine setting. When you see the green, that means your machine is in good health. There's an on and off button right here. I can turn it off and turn it on. There's an automatic right here, auto. And then you could do the plus sign for a stronger fan or lower it. Let me see, up to 10, I believe. Yeah, up to 10. That's the speed for the fan. And then this button is to oscillate. Now you see the machine is turning or oscillation. And then there's a button right here, this one. It just says it's UL1278 compliance. So this is the remote. You control your cooling on and off, your auto mode, airflow speed, timer, oscillation, night mode, and diffuse. So you could swipe it down. You can set the location. So I gotta set my location in Riverside, California. And it shows all the temperature and humidity and your PM and then the pollen and everything around this area. If you swipe up, there's air quality and then temperature, humidity, and then that's it. So yeah, anyway, that's how you download the app and then sync it with your Dyson pure hot and cold link. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.